Freddy Aguilar pumanaw na dahil sa sakit sa puso at the Philippine Heart Center Hospital today May 27. Nag-post pa noong nakaraang araw ang kanyang anak na si Shean Aguilar, at umaasang gagaling pa ang kanyang ama sa sakit nito. Ayon naman sa kasamahan nito sa music industry na si Vivian Velez ay tuluyan ng pumanaw ang kanyang kaibigan na si Freddy Aguilar sa edad na 72 years old. I know you are giving your best fight, it may be hard, but I know you have the strength and courage to face this. Please focus on getting better. We want you back at your best self. We are all here for you. Love you, Shean Aguilar. OPM icon Freddy Aguilar has passed away today, May 27, at the PH Heart Center Hospital. He was 72 years old. Our heartfelt condolences to his family and loved ones. His music will forever live on in our hearts. Rest in peace po ka Freddy.